Truth, Consultech, synergizing transformation.
In this series of interviews with personalities who are unique, you have contributed uniquely, differentiated, brought different thought processes, something that we should aspire to learn from their experiences and derive from the kind of lookout that they have about the life in a different way. So we have Oniell Shah today with us. Great to have you, Oniell.
So too, because sport, I consider even today at my workplace, I consider it's a game of sports. That we have a challenge at our hand, and it's a sport. Like in sports, we always have an opponent. Here also, we have an opponent. One opponent is the customer, and the other opponent is a competitor, and the third is internal processes and organization. To see how we implement quality processes. Okay, so this industrial experiences always help you to understand and to see the relation between academia and the industry, so you can always correlate.
I know engineering background and have done mechanical engineering and done hence studied in the US, also spent good amount of time in the US with larger organizations, as well as now serving one of the largest uh, tier one auto kind of suppliers. So huge amount of experience, right, Onil?
But academia and the industry, there's a small lag in between what they're teaching and what is expected from the students. There's a small lag in between. So tier ones are the ones where the knowledge, the advancement, the R&D takes place. And OEMs, they have the entrepreneurial mindset, not like just the IT industry, but even in the automotive industry also, they have the entrepreneurial mindset. They're willing to take the risks. There are enough suppliers who are willing to support them.
Wonderful. Those aspects of being in the team and also not to give up and always looking at, nothing is impossible. I think a great attitude. Do you think that, games like badminton that I think you used to cherish in the younger days, that has given some kind of spirit where, sportsman spirit, never give up, that kind of attitude that is built into you?
I think so. Going forward, I think everybody needs to learn a multidisciplinary approach in their learning. It's not necessarily mechanical, but you need to know a little bit about electrical, hardware, software also. Sustainability is being driven very rapidly by Europe. That will also come into existence. So I think coexisting and understanding these along with the regulations is very, very important to keep moving ahead and leading and finding ways where we can take one step forward and not backward to see where we can approach and what we can do. And the others will just follow anyways, because you have to keep in mind whatever you're trying to do is the right thing for the organization, and you're never going to hurt in any way whatsoever the organization. But I would be focusing more on giving back wherever I can, okay, because you can add value.
Truth, Consultech, synergizing transformation.